Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk on feasibility study and objectives of the same. So, before getting into it, let me introduce myself once again. I am Shailesh Holsame, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Mellon Hospitality Private Limited. Let us talk about the feasibility study and objectives of feasibility study. My dear friends, it's so important for us to know that the feasibility study before getting into any project is really very important. And you must have seen lot of people, a lot of hotel owners, a lot of companies or builders, they don't give importance to the feasibility study, because feasibility study gives you right insights of every aspects of your business, of your project, commercially, economically, whether it will be viable in future or not, what are the expected demand or supply which is going to come, what are the kind of infrastructure development which is happening in and around areas. So there are a lot of things which are considered under the feasibility study, including your cash flows, including your receivables and payments. So everything is considered in your feasibility study. So I would always say that whenever the feasibility study or report is made, it has to be in conjunction with the architects. It has to be in conjunction with the consultants who are going to be involved in the project. It has to be in conjunction with the owner's ideas. It has to be in conjunction with the demand and supply which is in and around and which is expected respectively. So there are so many aspects which has to be considered. Let us talk on the objectives of feasibility study. Now the main important objective, I would say, is the environmental analysis. It can be provided to the owners by the person who is or the company who is conducting the feasibility study. So right from the information of the environment analysis is provided by the expert. Point number 2, the market fit of the said project. Having known this factor, it becomes easy for the owners to work on the requirements with the dedicated focus. So what I recommend, that if the feasibility study is done, the market fit of the said project is also analyzed. Let us talk about the point number 3. The feasibility study also covers the exposed risks that may affect the project. It's very important. If you're talking about any project, you should be in a position to know what risks are expected. So the policies of the government which may come, or the ongoing policies are covered in this. The commercial viability, environment factors and construction related issues are also covered in this. The external and internal factors that may affect the hotel projects and operations are covered. So there are multiple things which are actually covered in the feasibility report. So I can go on and on and on and on. But the thing is what? My point is, we need to get the feasibility report done. This will give you a good platform about the project, and during the operations, pre-operations, during the operations, post-operations, everything can be covered. It is fairly tight parameters such as the type of hotel it should be built. This is a really tight parameter when it comes to the feasibility study, because you should know what level of hotel you need to develop there. The facilities that would be incorporated in the project, that has to be analyzed. It is not just you feel like doing a project and you have done it. It's not like that. So all the parameters are judged. The unexploited areas that could be taken as an advantage in the feasibility study of the project, it can be incorporated. The unexploited areas also can be incorporated to identify the areas which may give the best returns to the promoters. What is the idea? The whole idea is to give the promoters the best of the returns, the best of the project. Any brand or any operator who would like to sign up the project, so all these things are covered by the owners beforehand, then I think the game is done. With this, I would like to wind my video on objectives of feasibility. I'm coming up with few more videos. Till then, you take care of yourself. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel. Tons of videos are already there. You will really enjoy it if you are a hotelier. I have touched the ground realities. Let me wind up and see you soon.